Guys, I finally got access to Seedance 2.0. This is the AI video generator that literally has Hollywood terrified right now. Because of all the studio backlash, it hasn't been fully released globally, but in this video, I'm going to share exactly how you can actually use Seedance 2.0 in any country without any problems. I'm going to show you my ultimate prompt workflow, how to extend videos with 100% consistency, and even how to create a full 55-second cinematic fight scene. Let's jump right into the screen.
Is that all you got?
So, I'm going to this website called jxp.com. They recently added official Seedance 2.0 access, and I even confirmed with their team that this website has permanent access to it. On this platform, alongside Seedance, you get access to other top-tier tools like Nano Banana 2 and Kling 3. But today, we are strictly testing Seedance 2.0. Simply click on the Seedance 2.0 AI video generator option, and it takes you straight to the dashboard. Let's look at the UI. It supports up to massive 15-second generations. It fully supports multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 9:16, etc. You get two distinct models, Seedance 2 Fast and Seedance 2 Pro. Here, you can upload up to 12 different assets at once, which can include images, videos, and even audio to guide your generation. Of course, there is a standard text-to-video prompt box where you can just type and generate. Let's put this beast to the test. Before we generate, you need good prompts. I generate all my prompts inside Grok, and I want to teach you my exact workflow. I wanted to turn a simple photo of my dog into a cinematic movie scene. But how do you get the perfect image and video prompts? Here is exactly what I typed into my first chat. Hey, I wanted to test Seedance 2.0 as I recently got access. I want to create action scenes inspired by famous movies like Batman, Avengers Infinity War, Iron Man, and John Wick. However, please keep in mind not to use their names. They should be purely inspirational. Give me 30 ideas, with the first few being particularly impressive for my audience. Grok gave me 30 amazing ideas. Then I typed, okay, now please provide me with prompts, including image prompts and video prompts. It gave me prompts, but they weren't detailed enough. So I pushed it further. The prompts must be more detailed. For the video prompts, please include specific action details. For the image prompts, I need a script for characters in normal poses. Make sure the characters are unique and not copied from existing ones. Finally, I dropped in a photo of my dog and told it to apply that John Wick-style prompt to him. And boom, I had the perfect, highly detailed image prompt and video prompt. It doesn't matter if you use Grok, ChatGPT, or Gemini. This workflow is bulletproof. First, I copied that image prompt and went back to the jxp.com homepage. Under the AI image subheading, I selected Nano Banana 2. I set my aspect ratio to 16:9 and bumped the quality to 2K, which only consumes 2 credits. I pasted my prompt, uploaded my dog's photo, and hit generate. The image came out looking incredible. Now I took that image, went into Seedance 2.0, and copied my video prompt into the reference section. A massive pro tip here. I used the @ symbol to tag my uploaded dog image right in the prompt so the AI knows exactly who the subject is. I selected the fast model and hit generate. It looks good. It wasn't quite the hyper-realism I expected from the Pro model, but as a fast generation, it is super solid. You can always take this video, re-upload it to the reference section, and continue the shot. Let's try something completely epic and chaotic. I dropped this massive text-to-video prompt. Epic slow-motion Walmart meltdown. Army of screaming Karens throwing merchandise and demanding managers while employees hide behind registers. Hero sprints in and blasts Karen calm spray. All Karens freeze mid-tantrum, faces melting from rage to angelic smiles, products hanging in the air. Over-the-top trailer style. I hit generate, and man, this is next level. The realism, the facial expressions, the slow-motion physics, it is dangerously close to reality.
I want to speak to the manager.
Do you know who I am?
I even ran this same prompt through an animated style filter, and the animation quality was truly impressive.
This Black Friday, prepare for the ultimate shopping showdown.
Next, I wanted to see if Seedance 2.0 could handle product commercials. I generated an image of my own brand, AI Biceps Energy Drink, using Nano Banana 2. I uploaded that image to Seedance and gave it this simple prompt. Create a 15-second powerful ad commercial with AI Biceps Energy Drink. Must be fast-paced and engaging. I hit generate, and holy shite, guys, I just made a full professional-grade commercial for my own brand using AI. The craziest part isn't even the skateboarding motion. It's the fact that it followed my brand guidelines perfectly. The logo, the colors, the vibe, all completely spot on. Now, let's take it to the absolute limit. I wanted to create a massive 55-second cinematic movie fight scene with 100% character consistency. First, I generated two characters in Nano Banana 2, a robot girl and a male humanoid. I uploaded both to Seedance 2.0 and typed, "Robot girl and cyber, created in 3D animation style, must be larger than life with superpowers, ring must be big and show a humongous crowd cheering. Create a proper boxing match between @image2 and @image1. Notice how I used the @ symbol to mention both characters. This is crucial for consistency. I hit generate and wow, it looks like a literal movie scene.
Box!
Here is how I extended it to 55 seconds. I downloaded that first video clip and uploaded it to the reference section. I typed, "Continue these punches between two fighters of reference video, @video, supernatural boxing match." I kept the exact same settings and hit generate.
Here we go, the first round of the Supernatural Boxing Championship.
The continuation was flawless. To keep extending it with complex actions, I went to Google Gemini. I uploaded my first two clips to Gemini and asked, "Can you understand this scene?" Once Gemini analyzed the footage, I asked it to write my next prompt. Now I want to continue this fight scene where a humanoid girl throws a power energy punch in slow motion to robot face. The whole stadium shakes, but male humanoid laughs at her and says, "Impressive but not enough." Don't worry about typos. The AI is smart enough to understand. Gemini gave me a highly detailed continuation prompt. I copied it, uploaded my second clip to Seedance, typed "continue this @video," pasted the Gemini prompt, and generated it. Perfect hit.
Is that all you got?
For the final clip, I repeated the process with a prompt having the girl's eyes glow blue, hitting him through a building, and him standing back up. And bro, that is how you create a full 55-second AI movie scene. Just look at this final result.
Box! Here we go, the first round of the Supernatural Boxing Championship. Is that all you got?
Then let me show you.
What the hell?
Now, before you go crazy with this, I need to clear something up. ByteDance's Seedance 2.0 is heavily censored right now because of massive pressure from Hollywood studios. That is why it hasn't seen a full global release. If you want to use it successfully, you need to understand their strict guidelines, real faces, and celebrities. The system strictly prohibits using recognizable real person likenesses. If you upload a photo of a celebrity or even a high-quality portrait of yourself, it will instantly trigger a content policy violation. Copyrighted IP. Prompts containing brand names or intellectual property, like Iron Man, Mickey Mouse, or Star Wars, will be blocked. Their visual matching system will also reject uploads of protected characters. Sensitive content. The NSFW filter is hypersensitive right now. It will reject prompts or images showing large areas of bare skin, even if the content isn't explicitly sexual. But here is the workaround. It still generates animated style content and original characters without any restrictions. I just built an epic 55-second fight scene by playing smarter, not harder. I also want to be completely transparent with you guys before you click the link. Accessing Seedance 2.0 on jxp.com is not free. It is a paid platform, but honestly, that is completely obvious. Running an AI video generation model this powerful and this exclusive requires massive server power, so you are not going to find this for free anywhere on the internet right now. The good news? It is actually not very expensive. If you are serious about AI video and have a little bit of money to invest in your content, it is absolutely worth the try. It is still the #1 video generator in the world right now. You can go test it right now on jxp.com. Just keep those safety guidelines in mind. The link is in the description. Go test it out and let me know what you create in the comments.